Three more Rise of the Moors defendants appeared in court yesterday.
Alright, so none of you guys have a license on you?
No.
Who's driving?
He's in the car right now.
Okay. Does he have a license?
No, he didn't have it with us.
No, with you?
No.
Okay. So do you have any forms of identification at all?
No, we don't.
Okay. So, you said you're a militia from Maine?
Rhode Island, but we're going to Maine.
Rhode Island. Okay. And,
I can leave you my name and contact information if that's...
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright. I'll write it down. Hey, can y'all hear me?
So what's the, what do you guys, what's you guys' big plans?
So I have private land in Maine, so we're gonna do some training up there.
You have what in Maine?
Private land in Maine. Yeah, a few acres. We already spoke with the sheriff of the county, of the town. She said it's fine.
How deep up in Maine?
Huh?
How deep up in Maine are you guys?
Bangor.
Yeah. You guys all from Rhode Island, or you guys just meeting?
Yeah.
What part?
Kentucky.
I was just in Block Island last weekend.
Block Island? Yeah. It's a great place to be there on 4th of July. I'll write it down for you.
Alright, if I could just get your name, date of birth, and social, I could write it down.
I don't have a social.
You don't have a social?
No.
Were you born in the United States?
Yep.
Receive. Cute. I'm just gonna go down the line here, okay?
Oh, that's fine. You don't need their contact information, do you?
So I'm just whatever he wants to give me, that's fine.
You don't have to give him anything.
Yeah, you actually don't. I mean, you guys aren't driving a car or anything like that.
No. I just want to make sure that we can continue going towards where we're going.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out the situation now.
Yeah.
I'm on the highway. I see you guys are, what, you guys got an AR-15 too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I understand.
Is the guy driving the car still up there?
Yeah, he's in the car.
I'm gonna go talk to him. You guys got two vehicles here?
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't mind, can you just stand here?
Well,
I don't want you to
make sure. I want to make sure he's safe. I'm fine. I was in the Marine Corps.
No, that's fine. Come on, man. You got your license on you? Huh? Traveling right now. Okay. You need a license to be able to drive in Massachusetts. Okay? We're not doing this traveling thing. Huh? I'll take that for now, yeah. Thank you. You have a registration for the vehicle?
Oh, no, we don't have that.
There's no registration for the vehicle. Okay, it just goes off the plate here. I'll go right back, just sit tight. If you don't mind, can you just stand over there? I just don't want people getting freaked out. I mean, I'm sure I asked you this before, but why were you guys pulled over on the side of the road again?
Because we were trying to fill up gas in the front vehicle. We have the gas tanks in the back of that. Because we were trying to pass through without having to make any unnecessary stops to avoid something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys are trying to stop at gas stations as little as possible.
Exactly.
Fuel up on the side of the road.
So
are you in a rush?
No.
Okay.
Just so there's no unnecessary stops. Because there's laws that specify that as long as you're not making any unnecessary stops through the state, you can travel with your arms. So we're trying to influence him.
Yes. So you guys doing interstate travel, right?
Yeah. So we're trying to, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And if you want, I can show you the gas tank so you can see.
Yeah.
You know.
I do understand what you're saying. Okay. So.
I'll be clearing here shortly. I'll head that way.
Okay. Yeah, I got some cruisers on the way. I can talk to the supervisor also. All right, what do you got there?
Oh, these are just some federal laws I was going to show you guys to help.
Yeah, no, I am familiar with the interstate travel with weapons or anything like that. So, do you have any form of license to carry?
No.
Like you don't have it on you?
No. So, according to the interstate travel laws, as long as you're not permitted from having the arm from the state that you're coming from, you can pass through. As long as you're not making any unnecessary stops. So in the state of Rhode Island, you're not required to have a license to have a rifle.
In the state of Rhode Island, you're not supposed to have a rifle.
No, you're not required to have a license to have a rifle. So as long as I'm not prohibited from having it from the state that I'm from, I'm able to go pass through the state without making any unnecessary stops to my final destination, which I told you, our land is up in Maine. That's where we're going to be training.
Okay.
And then we have to come back.
Okay. The only issue here, though, is that he doesn't have a license to drive.
Yeah.
Does anyone here have a license to drive? You guys probably do a lot more shit than we do.
No, we do the same thing.
So I have a few guys that have it, but I told them not to bring anything that could possibly identify us because of the nature of what we're trying to do.
Okay, so they have driver's licenses.
Just not with
they just don't have it on.
Yes.
Okay. So he already gave me his info. On that license, he's got to kind of speak with the other operator up there.
You're talking about
I'm assuming someone else is driving this car up here, right?
front?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Over here so we can get hit.
So my guy on the right, he has a driver's license, but he doesn't have his arm.
Okay, that's fine. How we doing, sir?
Good.
Are you the one driving this car? No? Oh, is this guy up here? How we doing, sir? You just roll the window down for me?
Speak to me, that's fine.
Sorry. So
No problem.
That's fine.
all right, so they basically just need a licensed driver. So we're gonna have him drive since you don't have your ID on you because I told you guys not to bring any ID.
Okay, so who's gonna be the one driving?
We'll just switch. The guy on the right.
Okay, that's fine. I thought you said that at first.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a license. You have a license to drive?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So write down your name and date of birth on there. You just write it right there. And I'll be able to look up in the system if you have a license to drive. Should be all right. All right. Thank you, sir.
So no ID, no driver's license, and no license to carry. So that's the latest. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe.